Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export data from TradingView. If you want to backtest, build a spreadsheet, or simply archive market activity, exporting data from your TradingView chart is quick and straightforward. This feature is incredibly useful for traders who want to analyze past price movements, track performance over time, or even share data for collaborative work. Start by opening the specific chart you want to export. Make sure you've selected the exact symbol and time frame you care about, because the export reflects the chart that's currently on your screen. This ensures that you're exporting the correct data for your needs, whether you're analyzing a specific stock, forex pair, or cryptocurrency. For instance, if you're focusing on a stock's performance over the last month, make sure your chart shows that exact symbol and time frame before proceeding. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart area. You'll see the chart layout name, and right beside it, a small caret icon that looks like a tiny downward arrow. Click that caret to open a menu. This is where TradingView keeps a few chart-level actions, including the option we need. From that menu, click Download Chart Data. This menu is quite handy for other quick chart adjustments too, but today, we're focusing on exporting your chart data. A small dialog will appear asking you to choose the time format. This setting controls how the timestamps are written in your file. Pick the version that matches how you plan to use the data later. For example, if you're feeding it into a spreadsheet or a simple report, a standard date and time format is easy to read and work with, making your data visually accessible for analysis. If you're sending it into code or a database that expects numeric time, like Unix timestamps, a timestamp format can be more convenient. The key is to stay consistent with whatever tool or workflow you're using so you don't have to reformat every time, saving you valuable time down the road. Once you've chosen the time format, click Download. TradingView will generate a file, typically a CSV, that includes core fields like time, open, high, low, close, and volume for the bars visible in your chart's loaded history. This CSV format is great for manipulating the data in programs like Excel or Google Sheets, or even importing it into other software. You'll find the file in your browser's default Downloads folder, and the file name usually includes the symbol and time frame for quick identification. This makes it easy to organize your exports, especially if you're working with multiple symbols or time frames. A couple of quick tips to make the most of your export. The amount of data you get can depend on how much history is loaded on your chart, and in some cases, your plan limits. For example, free accounts may have limitations on how far back you can access data. If you need more bars, zoom out or scroll back to load additional history before you export. Also, keep the time frame in mind. If your chart is set to a daily interval, you'll export daily bars, which represent one trading day per row. If it's set to 5 minutes, you'll get 5-minute bars, providing more granular data for short-term analysis. If you plan to combine multiple exports, save them into an organized folder and keep your time format consistent across files, making it easier to merge or compare the data later. And that's all there is to it. Click the caret beside your chart layout name, choose Download Chart Data, select the time format that suits your workflow, and hit Download. You'll be ready to analyze your data wherever you prefer, whether you're working on a desktop application or need to integrate the data with other tools. This process is fast, reliable, and a great way to keep your trading analysis organized and accessible.